Detailing Beast magazine, written by Ty Prince. I'm going to give you the opportunity to become one of the greatest detailers your city has ever seen. You will be a powerhouse, a force to be reckoned with, a local celebrity in your field. You will have clients lining up from all across the city, state, and perhaps even the world. Order your page, quarter page, or half page now. Prince, Beast Mode Marketing. Click the link below to learn more or call 919-972-8063 to learn more about how you can get in our auto detailing magazine and conquer the world. Prince, Beast Mode Marketing.